Local news for Friday the 8th of June. The successful Chamber Music Festival will return to Martinborough for its second year this September and feature a who's who of the country's top musicians performing pieces that span 3 centuries. 4 concerts will be held over 3 days with early bird tickets on sale now. Wairarapa MP Alistair Scott has lodged a members' bill to protect vulnerable children by stopping New Zealand sex offenders from leaving the country without police approval. Mr Scott says this means they can be stopped before they leave New Zealand and local authorities can ensure the proper process has been followed before they are able to proceed overseas. And in sport, at this week's Premier Rugby, Greytown are at home to Ekarahuna. East Coast play Martinborough. The Central Banter will see Gladdy up against Carterton in a top-of-the-table clash, while Marist will play Marston and Red Star on the turf.